Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I got multiple requests from people asking me to even create videos on how I would take notes for a dialogue. So from now onwards, whatever dialogues I'll be covering, I'll also be making notes for that. And even for the existing dialogues, whenever I get time, I'll upload videos on how I would take notes. I would like to tell it upfront that this is how I would take notes, but this is not the perfect way. Everyone has their own way of taking notes, and it's a skill which gets developed over time. If you keep on practicing, you get the skill. Okay, initially everyone struggles, even I used to struggle. Okay, but this is just for your reference. I do not recommend you to strictly follow this. You can just refer it if you are stuck somewhere, and or if you want to see how others are taking notes. So this is just for your reference. So we'll start with the dialogue 60, which is about salary increment discussion. So here is the introductory statement. A Hindi speaking man is speaking to his manager demanding an additional salary hike. So because this is an introductory statement, I would have written like man to manager demanding additional salary hike. Additional I have written as ADDI, okay, which means it is additional. Of course, you cannot jot down everything, okay, so you also have to depend upon your short-term memory and your notes taking ability. It has to be a combination of both. You cannot just rely on your short-term memory or on your notes taking ability, because if you rely a lot on your short-term memory and if the segments are big, then it will, it's a high possibility there that you might not be able to remember all the information that was there. And if you only rely on your notes taking ability, okay, then it will be very difficult to listen to what is being said. So your brain will your hands will only be occupied and your brain will also be concentrated toward notes taking. So it has to be a combination of both. Write some important keywords, but also listen to it properly. So this is the first segment. नमस्ते. नमस्ते, क्या आपके पास थोड़ी देर बात करने के लिए समय है? मैं आश्वासन देता हूँ कि मैं ज़्यादा समय नहीं लूँगा. So here is a way how I would have taken notes for this. Hi, do you have time to talk? Okay, which is basically नमस्ते, क्या आपके पास थोड़ी देर बात करने के लिए समय है? Okay, so have I've written as HB, and some you can write SM. Okay, I used to write SM, okay, which means some. I assure won't take much time. Won't means I have just crossed it. Okay, that means won't. Okay, and here you can take you can write take the entire thing, or TK also you can write. Okay, sure, please come in and have a seat. What can I do for you? So sure will write in one line and the next sentence will write in a separate line. Come and have seat. Okay, so here I've missed please, so you can even write, I can rely on my short-term memory to remember that okay, it was a please, but if you want to write it down, you can write PL, which means please. That is a shortcut. And for come you can write CM, come. Okay, and what can I do for you? I'll just write it as WT, which means what? Do, question mark. That means what can I do for you? This is how I would take notes. देखिए, मेरे लिए आपको ये कहना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि अब मेरे वेतन में थोड़ी वृद्धि होनी चाहिए. So here how I would have taken notes is look. For देखिए I would have written look or see. For me, little difficult to tell, but I think salary should increase. Okay, so difficult I am just writing it as DIFF. To tell, but I have written BT. You can even write the complete thing BUT. And I think because it is a very common phrase that is being used in many dialogues, so I had created a shortcut for it, which is IT. Wherever I write IT, it means I think. Okay, salary should, for should, because should is another word which is very commonly used. So for should, I had created a shortcut as SHD, and for increase, just an up arrow mark would suffice, which means that it is increase. It points that okay, it increase. Okay, and why do you feel so? So here is how I would have taken notes. Okay, and why you feel so, or why feel so. You can even write like this. Then question mark, which means that okay, it is a question. मुझे इस कंपनी में काम करते हुए 3 साल हो गया है और इस दौरान मैंने अच्छी प्रगति की है और बहुत सारी जिम्मेदारियों को निभाया है, इसलिए अब समय आ गया है कि मेरे प्रयासों को मान्यता दी जाए और पुरस्कारित किया जाए. So here I would have taken notes like this. This company, 3 years work and during time made good progress and many responsibilities fulfill. So I mean, you cannot frame it into a sentence, I mean just when you're listening. So I am trying to replicate the same thing as and when I'm hearing, I'm just writing some keywords. Okay, you cannot just listen to the entire sentence and then start writing the notes, because then you will miss the other half of the segment. So for company, I have just created a shortcut as COMP, which means company. 3 years, 3Y, okay, work, which basically means I have been working in this company for 3 years. And for during, I have created a shortcut as DUR, which means during, and during this time I made good progress and fulfilled many responsibilities. For responsibilities, I have written as RESP. For progress also, you can write PROGR, or I mean, because sometimes I used to get confused with program and progress and all those things. So that is why I did it. If you want to create shortcut for that, you can do that. That's why time come to efforts, recognize and reward. Okay. So for that's why you can even write therefore, okay, which is like 3 dots, 2 dots in the bottom and 1 dot in the top, which means therefore, or that's why. Time come, as I said earlier, come, you can write CM for efforts to be recognized. Okay, recognized I have written as ROCOG, which means recognized, and rewarded. Okay. So do you feel that you are being paid less as per your current position and responsibilities? So here is my notes. So do you feel less salary as per your current position and responsibilities? So do you feel that you are being paid less, or do you feel you are getting less salary as per your current position and responsibilities? So for position, I write POS, which is commonly a shortcut. Responsibilities RESP, and current means CURR, your means YR, and less salary, okay, or paid less. For salary also, because it is a very frequently used words in this particular dialogue, so you can even substitute that as SAL, which means salary, in order to save time. हाँ, मेरा मानना है कि पिछले कुछ महीनों से जिस तरह का मैंने विभाग में योगदान दिया है, उसके हिसाब से मुझे ज़्यादा वेतन मिलना चाहिए. Y means yes. I believe. Believe means you can write BEL or you can write BELV. Okay, it depends upon you. Last few months, way department I contributed accordingly or according to that should get more salary. Okay, so yes, I believe the kind of work that I have done in the department, or the manner in which I have contributed to the department in the last few months, according to that I should be getting more salary, or I should get more salary. Basically it means like that. So months, MON, and department DEPT, okay, for contributed, it's CONTRI, which means contributed. As per that or according to that, A/C, that means according to. Should, again SHD, and salary you can just substitute as SAL. Okay, I will certainly inform the management about it. By the way, do you have any particular figure in your mind? So here I would have taken notes. Okay, WL means will, certainly means CERT, certainly, inform management. Okay, I will certainly inform the management about it. By the way means BTW, that means by the way. You have any particular figure in mind? Okay, so then question mark means do you have any particular figure in mind? So for have, again HV, and particular I have just written PARTI, that means particular, so that if I just write PART I might get confused with part, so I have written PARTI, which means particular. Figure means FIG, which is a very commonly used. Okay, हाँ जी, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि महंगाई बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है, तो मैं अपने सामान्य वार्षिक वृद्धि में 5% अतिरिक्त की अपेक्षा कर रहा हूँ. So this is how I would take notes. Yes, as you know, inflation has increased, so general annual hike 5% extra expecting. So which basically means, yes, as you know, the inflation has gone up so much, so I am expecting 5% extra than what I usually get during the general or usual and annual hike. Okay, so here again increased or gone up so much, that means upper arrow, and general or usual GEN. Okay, annual hike, annual you can just write ANN, which means annual, because it is a very common shortcut that is used. Expect, I am expecting, so you can write EXPT, that means I am expecting. %, that's something difficult to give immediately, as I need to discuss it with the other managers. We are going to have a peer review meeting very soon, and I will certainly take up this request then. So here I would have taken notes. 5% question mark, that is simple. So something means actually something I shouldn't be writing like this, because I have created this shortcut. This means sometimes for something it is STH. Okay, STH, something difficult to give immediately, as NT means need to discuss with other managers. So for something you have to write STH, that is the shortcut that I used to use. I used to use this particular shortcut for sometimes. Okay, so it's a mistake here. For something just write STH, that means something difficult, again the same thing, DIFF. Give means GV, immediately means IMME, as need to, as I need to discuss. So NT means need to discuss, means DISC, and with other managers. With I used to write W/ and other OTH, other managers. Okay, going to have pay review meeting and will certainly take up request then. Okay, so going GNG, have again HV, and pay review meeting, then review I have just written REV, and meeting meet, and will again WL, certainly, then CERT, take up this request REQ, very commonly used. अच्छा ठीक है, क्या मुझे इस अनुरोध को लिखित रूप में भी आपको भेजने की आवश्यकता है, ताकि हमारे पास इस चर्चा के बारे में एक रिकॉर्ड होगा. Then okay, fine. Do I request in writing send you, so that we can, so that we have discussion record. Okay, so that basically means, do I also need to send you this particular request in writing, so that we have a record of this discussion, or we can have a record of this discussion. So request again REQ and send you simple, so that we have HV discussion, okay, DISC, and record is record. You can even write record as REC, okay, which is very commonly used. Yes, that's a good idea. Kindly send me a mail stating your claim for additional salary increment and also keep in loop the human resource department. So here this is how I would have taken notes. Yes, good idea. Okay, that means yes, that's a good idea. Send me mail stating claim for additional salary increment and loop HR department. Okay, so kindly no need to write. I mean, you just have to keep few things in your mind, or you could have just written here PL, which means please, which is same as kindly. Okay, send me mail stating I have written STAT stating claim for additional ADDI salary SAL increment, okay, or increment you can just have upper arrow mark also, and loop human resource means HR department DEPT. Okay, so guys, this was how I would have taken notes for a particular dialogue. Since I have shared that with you, I hope this will be helpful for you, okay, going forward. Okay, and if for any of the particular videos that I have already uploaded, if you want me to share how I would have taken notes, kindly let me know in the comment section or in the Telegram group. I will be more than happy to accommodate that request, because I believe that okay, this is one area where my videos was not able to fully justify. So now, since I will be uploading even my notes taking practice, how I used to do it, so it will definitely help you. Okay, so thank you so much. Like and subscribe my channel now. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.